Okay, and this is our 2018 KOMATSU PC138. She's done 3,909 hours as it sits now. Coming directly from our hire fleet, would have been maintained on a service contract from new and looked after as part of the fleet. So you say two-way hammer and auxe pipe work. Does have hydraulic quick hitch, comes with this bucket, as you can see. Undercarriage wise is in good condition. Still plenty of life left on the sprockets. Chains do look okay. Should be expected really from a 3,900 hour machine. Vision camera system, so it does give you your sides and rear, so partial 360 view, and does have amber and green beacon, so your sight safety is up to date. And there we are. Alright, looking onto the inside of the cab now. As mentioned, she's only done 3,900 hours. Cab presents well. All buttons present and been working. Does have the vision camera system as well, so it does give you side and rear partial 360 cameras.